Heat transfer occurs everywhere, be it our daily lives or the modern industry. To engineers who design and improve every aspect of our life, heat may seem like a double-edged sword. It's an energy source that people have been utilizing since ancient times. Till now, it continues to provide us with hot food, warm environment, electric power, and much more. However, heat also plays the other side of the game. In our pursuit of faster speeds and larger power, and in the development of electronic age, heat becomes the undesired byproduct that can bring damage. This means in some applications, we want to conserve heat, while in other cases, we want to dissipate it quickly.
Therefore, it's extremely important for an engineer to understand the mechanisms of heat transfer. We need to master ways to utilize heat appropriately and at the same time know how to strictly control the effects of heat on our systems. In this course, we explain the physics behind the heat transfer theory, and we use extensive life-related examples to build up the understanding. We also establish analogies between thermal, structural, and electrical problems to help you understand heat transfer from different angles.
Heat is an abstract concept. But don't worry, we will provide dozens of Ansys simulation examples for you to learn by solving real engineering problems. Also, by following the carefully crafted homeworks and quizzes after each section, you can effectively check your understanding of the contents. Now let's get started and become an expert on heat transfer.